Welcome, today in front of me the OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on this device. First, you should open a notification bar and tap on the Wi-Fi icon by this way. That's it. If you wanna change it, just tap one more time on Wi-Fi icon and Wi-Fi will unconnected. The second way is go to settings, find the Wi-Fi and tap on there, and here tap just on this Wi-Fi switcher. Now that's done, and for example you can choose one of these networks. I'll go with this one and just tap here the password from the network. Now you can see the password by tap on this eye and tap OK. Now you can see that your network is connected, the Wi-Fi is working. So that's how it looks. If you like this video, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.